Suntuske estie havuaukio. Raadinkatu 5 in Lauste, Turku, staircase D. In 1975 H35517. Bottom panel has been updated. But the original buttons. Eighth floor. Opera saw 350 kilograms. It looks like walls have been updated also. Ground floor. White battle logic. Inspected by the spectator, maintained by Kone. Somebody's coming. Lauste is bad place to film military. Too many locked doors and elevatorless buildings. But some elevators have been added later. Some hotels or something. Raw spaces probably. I have to check them out after this film. That's